Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video here. So today we're trying out these biscuits from Butterkist. So first disclaimer, I want to let you guys know that country me live, so you got your dog about for all these things. Last week church that I played in my video, but no one couldn't hear me good, but this week I'm gonna step it up, so hopefully you can hear me good. And we'll just go another video. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to try is the coconut. And you know Jamaica does everything coconut very well. So Butterkist, I don't know how long this has been around honestly. Separate and their products is just, I don't know how long Butterkist has been around. But let's go and try that out. And as kids they used to eat this, but I don't know if you used to eat this, but we used to eat it. So firstly, coconut, you know, if you know Shirley coconut biscuits, yeah, you know this smell already. So let's go and taste it. So by the way, this is how it looks. Camera is a bit far away, guys. So similar to Shirley. I got the same feeling like you're eating Shirley biscuit. The coconut is very fragrant, like when you're having it. There's coconut very vibrant in it, so you know you're having coconut biscuit. So we're going to try the other one out. Just going to cleanse our palette out. Alright, so the second one is Festival. We're going to try this out, guys. I don't know what festival supposed to smell like. The girl just said festival as if it's gonna be a party in the boat, so let's see. What is like a vanilla? Not that much of a party in the boat. Just more like a vanilla. This would have been like more of the plain. And I didn't show you how this one look. It's the same sort of thing on all three, I believe. And my favorite is butter. You must love this. I don't know if you don't like these two, then you must like it. This one, I don't know. If you like butter, you will like this. I believe I can fly. Like the smell does get me. I love how it smells, over it tastes. Love everything about it. So it's the same look, guys. That's my favorite. I'm biased to this one. That is my absolute favorite. And this is, it's buttery. It gives you that feel. It tastes a little nutty. So maybe if you have a nut allergy, you probably don't want to be divulging in these biscuits too much, because there are definitely many places where, you know, nuts and stuff is produced. But guys, from a scale of 5 to 10, I'm going to rate them to tell you, you know, what you would probably get a feel of from these biscuits. So coconut, I'd give it 4 out of 5 because you taste the coconut in it. You know you're having coconut biscuit. So that, you know, I guess a 4 for that, because you taste it. You taste the coconut. You know, you don't feel like a bit of coconut, like greater coconut, you know, you don't feel that in it, but it tastes really authentic like coconut. Now for the festival, I would have thought it would have been more party in the morning. I haven't had these two in a while, but I had this recently. But this, it just tastes like plain vanilla, really. So I give it a 3 for taste. But I mean, all of them look the same, so you really have to smell it to know the difference and taste to know the difference. So butter, of course, I'm biased. 5 out of 5. Of course, I love the butter. It just tastes, you taste the real rich, authentic flavor of butter biscuit in this particular one. So you want to definitely, if you're going to try it on, guys, definitely I recommend butter. 5 out of 5 all the way, every time. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and thank you so much for clicking on this video here on the channel. Definitely tune in next time for another video on this channel, and thank you for joining us for another taste